Welcome. If you've ever come across a Pinterest user profile that you believe violates the platform's guidelines, maybe it's spammy, contains inappropriate content, or just doesn't belong, reporting it is quick and straightforward. Today, we'll walk step by step through the latest process for reporting a user profile on the Pinterest app. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, use the search bar or scroll through your feed to find the user profile you want to report. Tap on their profile to open their main page. At the top right corner of the user's profile page, look for the three dots icon. This is your gateway to more options. Tap on those three dots. A menu will pop up with several choices. Here, select the option that says Report or Report User. Next, Pinterest will ask you to choose a reason for your report. You'll see options like spam, inappropriate content, copyright issues, or other violations. Select the reason that best fits your concern. If you're unsure, Pinterest usually provides brief descriptions for each category to help you decide. After you've chosen your reason, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your report. This might involve answering a few follow-up questions or providing additional details about what you've seen. Once you've filled everything out, tap Submit to send your report to Pinterest's moderation team. Pinterest takes user reports seriously. The team will review the profile in question and take appropriate action if any guidelines have been violated. Don't worry, your report is confidential, and the user you reported won't know who flagged their profile. And that's it. By taking a moment to report suspicious or harmful profiles, you're helping keep Pinterest a safe and positive space for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more up-to-date tutorials on using Pinterest and other social platforms.